Are you tired of all the comments on your Facebook profile picture? Well, don't worry, I'm here to show you how to turn them off. In just a few easy steps, you can disable comments on your profile picture and get some peace and quiet. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to do it today. To get started, first open up your Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then go over to your profile. Once you are on your profile, tap on your profile picture and then tap on View Profile Picture. So the thing about Facebook is that there is no simple button to switch off comments on your profile picture. But there is a workaround for that. So in order to do that, tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then from these options, tap on Edit Privacy. You want to change your privacy settings to Only Me. By doing that, no one will be able to comment on your profile picture. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.